How to add Visa gift card to Google Pay. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Visa gift card to Google Pay. It's a simple process, so let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the Google Pay app on your mobile device, and if you don't have it, make sure to download it from your Google Play Store. In my case, I'm just going to show you on my PC. Once you're inside the app, you'll then be able to find an option that says Add Payment Method. So please tap onto it. This is where you will manage your cards and payment options. You want to go ahead and simply tap the Payment Method button to add a new card. Go ahead and select debit or credit card from the options and then type in the details of your Visa gift card, including your card number, expiration date, and also your CVC. Once done, you want to go ahead and simply tap Save. After entering your card details, Google Pay will verify your card and you'll see the Visa gift card added to your payment method. And that's how you do it, guys. You can now use your Visa gift card for online purchases, in-store payments, or within apps that accept Google Play. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.